So if you don't have a lot of room in your vehicle, but you want the peace of mind of knowing that you have a jack in your car just in case of an emergency, then this scissor jack from VEVOR might be a great option for you to keep on hand. The brand did send it over and compensate us for this video, but this little scissor jack, it might be small and not take up a lot of room, which is great for compact vehicles, but it can actually support over 5,500 pounds. So it works for most any kind of vehicle, car, truck, SUV. It has a lifting range from about 3.5 inches to a little over 17 inches, making it easy to raise your vehicle high enough for a tire change or quick repair. The wide reinforced base helps keep everything super stable, and it even has a 360-degree rotating top head, so you can line it up right where you need it. The steel screw is strong and turns super smoothly. I was even able to crank this car up with one hand while holding my phone with the other, so lifting the vehicle doesn't even feel like a workout. And it comes with everything you need: a ratchet wrench to adjust the height, a telescoping lug wrench, and a universal socket that fits most tire screws. It's compact, so easy to use, and makes tire changes way less stressful when you're out on the road. So if your car emergency kit is missing a jack, or the one you have just isn't cutting it, or maybe you need one that's a little bit more compact in size but can still handle everything, this one's definitely worth checking out from VEVOR.